Go!
Did you sleep with those earrings, Avery?
Find 2 eggs and go put them in the basket. Put them in the big basket. Find 2. Put them in the big basket.
Put them in there, Avery. One more. There you go.
Put them in the basket. Come on, you're missing eggs.
Put them in the basket, oh. Good job, Avery. No, not that one. This is the big one right here. There you go. Did you? That's great.
I got 2 the back.
Come on, fill it up. Fill up that basket.
Right here.
What's it?
It's funny.
That was good that you found it.
Here's these goodies and there's the water basket.
There's more. Keep looking.
Yeah, see some more out.
Good.
Oh, let's found some in here.
Everyone, 2 more. 2 more.
Come on, fill up that basket. Fill it up. Start looking for Easter baskets.
Hey.
Start looking for Easter baskets.
I told them Daddy only said to get 2.
There's a C1 there.
This one. That's right. Good job. Okay.
I see one more. I see a purple one.
Where? Where is it?
I see it.
See green. See green? Yeah. I like my purple one. I see 2 green ones.
Where?
Oh, I found a green one. There's one more green one.
Look at last green one. What's that?
No, one more.
Papers.
Okay. Put it in there. Hold over your hands. Post them over here in the kitchen. Marker. Where'd you get marker? Oh, those are the ones from last night.
Not on the table, girls. Not on the table. Not on the table. Those are from last night.
From last night.
Okay, get off of the table. Those aren't the ones. You're missing one still.
Turn around them.
Where is it?
Alyssa got it. And dropped it.
For your baskets.
They're really hidden.
You might have to open some doors.
Where'd you hide it? Where's Alice? Avery, Al, you girls have to open some doors to find your baskets.
Stay out here.
They're not downstairs. They're not downstairs.
Stay out here in the kitchen, the family room, or the laundry room. Okay?
Wait.
Yeah, this is a
Can
family
we,
room.
can we open this door?
Leave it open.
Yeah, turn the light on.
Hey!
Whose is that? Gabriella. There's
Let
yours.
me see, Al.
I think
Al was the first one to find their basket. Take it in the living room.
Say pizza. Hey, come here. Take a picture.
pizza!
Oh, your big basket's at home. Good job.
You have a little one here.
Yeah,
Come on, Avery. You have to find yours. Girls, you have to find yours too. I don't know where Amy hid them all.
I found someone's basket.
Okay, that's not yours.
Whose name's on it? Whose name's on it? Alyssa.
Yeah, you said yours. Oh yeah. Hey, you think I found mine?
Naomi, go find it. Go see Avery.
Find your own.
She's not looking. She's just kind of wandering.
I knew where mine was because
Naomi, yours isn't in here. Yours is in the other room. Avery, yours might be in here somewhere.
We're gonna see some doors in here.
Yours is in there, Naomi. Keep looking. Avery, yours is in the kitchen somewhere. In the kitchen.
Where are they in the kitchen? Oh.
Oh, they're in the office. Avery, the kitchen. Are you listening? Yours is in the kitchen somewhere. You have to open doors.
I know.
You know which room's the kitchen, right?
Yeah, baby.
Oh, the Easter Bunny went through the phone in this nice basket.
Yeah,
Yes, honey. Awesome.
a chocolate.
Chocolate bunny.
I
It's
always
Easter, we call it
wanted
chocolate bunny. Did you find one, Naomi?
I
See,
got
I knew you
one
could
there.
find a door. And you could find your basket.
Let me see that
Let me
basket.
see.
Let me see that thing. Where are you
Hey,
going?
hey. Hey, Missy. Let me see.
Happy Easter. Avery.
Oh.
Avery.
Oh my God.
Try this one. Chocolate bunny. I got a chocolate bunny. Look. We got the same thing.
Oh, wait for new jammies.
Those are size chocolate bunny.
Yeah.
Mommy, I can have a chocolate bunny.
Al, what is that?
Did you have a chocolate bunny in your hand? Where's your bag? Oh, she found it.
We're in the strawberry.
Naomi, you gotta keep looking, sweetie. Keep looking for your bag. It's in this room somewhere. Look behind the tables. Look behind the chairs.
Yeah,
Oh, she found hers, didn't she?
but only thing I found.
Naomi, stand up. Keep looking for your bag. You didn't find your Easter bag yet.
It looks just like Alyssa's.
It's in this room somewhere. Look behind the tables. Look behind the chairs.
It looks like this.
Oh my gosh, strawberry. Let's go look behind the
Come on, stand
chair.
up.
It's back here.
I'll help.
It's back here. Take a look. Come on, look around.
Well, I can help. It was over there, right next to the table.
Oh, did you see it? Did Avery find it?
No.
Avery said it's over there next to the table.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I saw it.
Watch that cup. Don't spill my cup.
Yeah. Oh, you had a chocolate buddy. Yeah, like you are.
Oh, she got
Oh,
chocolate bunny too.
chocolate bunny.
Avery, look at that skirt.
Daddy, look.
Pretty.
Wow. That's fancy, Avery.
And Hello Kitty Easter Bunny.
Chocolate. Jeez, we don't have any candy in this house.
Chocolate bunny.
Oh, pretty. Don't shake them like that, baby.
Like it's a cable.
How cute. Pretty. Oh, I'm going to put it all back in there. In there very strategically. Why don't you put the clothes in the big bag? Yeah, there you go. Put it in your big bag.